at the airport, heading home. I have 3 planes to catch before we reach home. It's gonna be a long journey. We won't reach home until tomorrow morning, crunch time. Yeah, we're at the airport. It's bittersweet. All good things must come to an end.
Where we're going, the Eiffel Tower.
Yes.
Oh, you feel better?
Back in the time it was Jamaica, no?
Yes. Oh, I'm gonna miss you so much. Oh, let me go and start ball. Sure. Come kiss Sarah. Here.
But she's gonna come back and fun.
Yes, she's gonna come visit us. Look, you see him pack the trolley, honey?
You packed very well, like a boss.
Honey, that's how you to pack trolley. Sure. Look,
Okay.
Sarah agrees. Sarah laughing.
I guess it's a Jamaican thing.
Okay. Hugs. Yes, I'ma miss you. Yes. Tell Tony, tell her vomit up him car. All right.
You're gonna say that's when I'm gonna give it back to you.
Exactly. He's gonna give it back. All right, Mama. Drive back safely, and I'll let you know when we check in. All right. Cool. We're at the airport, heading home. Oh, we're early. Okay. Oh, these are all the national heroes of Jamaica. Look, come closer, go closer, go closer. So we have 7 of them and only 1 female. Show me the only female. Look at all of them and tell me which one is the woman. Yes! So you have Nanny of the Maroon, that's her name. This one is Paul Bogle. Look. This one is Marcus Garvey.
Let me count how many siblings.
Wait, let me show you them first. And this one is Norman Manley. The airport is named after this one. That's the name of the airport. This airport. And this one here, look, it says Sir Alexander Bustamante. That's him. And this one is Sam Sharp. That's him. And this one around the back says George William Gordon. You see? Sipuet Fall. That's what you were calling me for? Okay, look up there and tell me what is that over there. What is this?
There is a flag.
No, what is this right here?
What?
That.
In there?
Yes. You love to eat it. What is it? It's ackee.
Oh,
And that's our national fruit. That's the national fruit of Jamaica, okay? What is this? That's called a hummingbird. That's the national bird of Jamaica. Okay? What's that up there?
And you.
What's that? Black, green, and gold. What's that? What is it?
Like I was doing
Yeah, that's the flag. And what is that? Up the top. That's the national flowers. It's called the lignum vitae.
Oh.
And that thing all the way up the top, it's called the coat of arms. And it says, out of many one people.
Oh.
Okay? All right, let's go. Come on. Oh. Get that way, shop. Book and CDs. Boom.
Mama,
Yes, Tyler.
that way is to I would
All things JK, Jamaica, nice can done party. Oh, this is a new store probably. Never seen this one before.
Mama.
Yes, Ty.
What? Mama.
Coffee blues. Yes, Ty. Island Deli.
That is Wonderful Airline representative. Can you kindly make your way to the delivery shop and start customs off? Thank you.
We go look over there. You see Burger King over there?
Yeah.
You want fries?
Yes.
Why empty, right?
I'm gonna go to Burger.
Very empty.
Let's go to Burger.
Island Grill and Burger King. What do I want? What do you want, Ty?
Burger.
You want Burger King? Stewed chicken. I can't saltfish. Callaloo and saltfish. No, I can't saltfish. I think I'm gonna have a Burger King breakfast. All right. Okay.
Let's wait on that.
Burger King breakfast. Burger King breakfast.
Let's wait on that.
Breakfast.
You want to cover it back?
No, thank you. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. We are at the airport heading home. I have 3 planes to catch before we reach home. It's gonna be a long journey. We won't reach home until tomorrow morning, crunch time. Yeah, we're at the airport. It's bittersweet. All good things must come to an end, and I must say I have no regret about this vacation. This vacation is one of the best vacations I've had, and created lots of memories, and it was just everything. Sarah's here, ready to take on this journey. Tyler's there eating. Ty, say morning to the faves.
Good morning.
Husband. We're stuffing our faces before this flight. Look at Sarah. You see yourself? Anyway, you guys, we'll catch you guys along this long journey home. So, like, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. I love you guys. See if you can pack like the man this morning.
The man have different things than this one.
It's bigger. See blue one coming?
Different. The thing that you lift, like the thing that we have at home.
Like we have at home. Oh! No. See the brown one there coming. Come fast. Come, Ty. Come. Come, Ty. Huh? They just seal them. They just seal them. Hey girl. Hey girl. Hey girl. You guys, this journey, man, has been no joke whatsoever. We are actually in Paris right now. We made our flight to Atlanta. Atlanta to Paris. Now we have one leg leave. Paris to Nice, which is just a little over an hour flight. So we're heading to boarding right now. So let's see how this goes.
Ça pourrait être comme ça.
No.
Camera screw in Jamaica.
Je vais,
The screw there.
je veux pour regarder dehors.
On va regarder dehors après. Quoi dehors? C'est la pluie, regarde. Tu vois comme ça? Il n'y a rien, c'est la pluie. We're in Paris. Paris means it's raining. You see?
Oh.
It's not moving yet. Hey guys, we in Paris. We have one more plane to take, and we finally reach. We all tired face, very tired.
Mama, I'm hungry. I want to eat the broccoli.
Okay, when you reach home. Guys, I'm so exhausted. I just want to reach home.
1 hour plane. Then suitcase.
1 hour and a half. 1 hour, max 2 hours I'll be home. I just want to be home so bad. I'm tired.
Sandwich.
To everybody who gave us gifts along the way, everybody who gave us hugs and kisses and love and blessings, and everybody who showed up at Sarah christening, everybody who showed up at New York meet and greet, everybody who we meet along along in the streets, in the stores, just people who we didn't get to see, family who we didn't get to spend time with. It's just all love. It just all love. This vacation, we needed more time, but time that we don't have, we had to come back for Tyler to head back to school, and for Babe to go back to work, and for me to jump back in my life and routine. but to say the least, this vacation was worth every second. And the main reason why this vacation was even possible was to go to Elaine's wedding. So again, I just want to say congratulations to my girl Elaine. We love you, Darren. We love you. She's the Elaine Thompson era. That is just crazy to say the least. But yeah, vacation was good, and now we close out vacation and open a new chapter come tomorrow, back into our daily life and our daily routine, and to adjust back to French time, because of course, you know, we're 7 hours ahead of the USA and Jamaica. So yeah, thank you guys again just for everything. I am going to edit this vlog, and then yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy all our vacation footage. Love you guys. If you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, catch up and keep up with the fam. We love you guys. And of course, you guys will be seeing Elaine's wedding video, you guys will be seeing the bridal shower, you guys will be seeing us having fun leading up to that. But I'm just waiting some time to let her enjoy being married before I put out those footages. Anyway, you guys, love you guys, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow.